How many photos have I got? 85,618 photos. Yep, that is the number of photos in my Lightroom catalogue. That's the number when I started looking at this, which was a couple of months ago now. And at the time of writing this, I'm down to 78,728 photos. And there's no way of knowing how many photos I've deleted over my digital photography life, but do I care about that? Actually, I do. I'd love to know how many rubbish photos I've deleted and photos I didn't need or like. This isn't restricted to rubbish photos only. It's any photo you're not going to do anything with, really. Probably should have put that in the script somewhere. When I finish my culling of my catalogue, I'll know how many rubbish photos I had or surplus photos, and I will report back in a future episode on that. Okay, I talked about reducing the number of photos in my Lightroom catalogue, so what am I actually doing about this? Well, that is another story. If you want to know about it now, sign up to receive a weekly email from me, and you can follow my weekly journey from 85,618 photos to who knows what. Yes, I am working on this with a vengeance all the time. Well, not all the time. It's a job I'm working on when I've got time. So head over to the podcast website, photographyexplainedpodcast.com, fill in the form, and you'll get a weekly email from me. And while I'm plugging myself, you could head over to my other website, rickmcavoyphotography.com, and fill in the same form and get the same email. Don't fill it in twice because I think you might... No, you won't get two, then ignore that.